Good morning everybody. We built the Ferrari Formula 1 car, quite happy with the way it came out. Here's what we're doing next. This is the Subaru Legacy RS, one of the Pro Drive built cars. Now, this is a model from the 1991 ROC Rally driven by Ari Vasson. I believe the other car was driven by Colin. So look at the kit. Inside, it's a Hasegawa model, so all the paints are for Mr. Hobby, Mr. Aquis. H1 is for GSI Aquis Hobby, and the ones with the black square is that of Mr. Colour. Fine. We've got all clear parts. There's a aerial in there by the looks of it. Red material for seat belts and mud flaps. There's some fast stretch parts in there, all good. A massive wedge of white molded bits, some rubber toys in there. Seats, brake discs, wheel, steering wheel, chassis, wheels, one body, and a decal sheet. Let's get the lights on for that. As you can see, because it's being rallied in England, it's not got the Rothmans branding, just rallying. I'm trying to see where the driver markings are. Yeah, this is just the Ari Vasson car. Although, that means nothing because it's going to be becoming a Colin Mcrae car. 1/24th scale, Manx Rally 1991. There we go. That's what we're building. The only problem is if the tyres in this kit are for forest. Manx Rally was a tarmac rally, but I suppose we can just pretend it's the pre-event car to get it through scrutineering. But that's what's coming next on my channel. Colin Mcrae and Derek Ringer, a combination that went on to become world champions. I could also do Francois Chariot and Michael Perrin, or Michael Perrin. I don't know if he's a French or a European, UK co-driver, but there we go. That's what I'm going to be coming next. Cheers. See you soon. Bye bye.